Hello everyone, I am your teacher Ms. Gohar and I welcome you all in the virtual learning program. This is the first week video, so let's start our class. Dear student, as we have done the practice of standing lines and sleeping line in our book, now it's time for introduction of sound Kha. Kha is for candle, Kha carrot, Kha car. You can also say C is for cake, C for camera and C for caterpillar. Now it's time for some writing practice. Let's open up your book, English, page number 8. Now take a pencil and put it on the red dot on letter Kha and move your pencil towards the left side curve. Curve, curve, Kha. Again, put the pencil at the red dot and start tracing Kha. Kha or C. C is for colors, C is for cups and C is for cars. Now again take a pencil and put on this one letter C. You can call it C or Kha. Kha is a sound and C is a letter. And then start tracing. Curve towards the left side. Slowly, slowly. Do join the dots with the dark hand pencil tracing like this. Again put the pencil on the red dot and start moving towards the left side curve. Curve, curve, slowly, slowly make all the dots join together and make a curve like Kha. Kha, Kha, Kha and Kha. Now it's time for home task. Do page number 9 in your English book. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.